Let me tell you a hard truth. People are not ignoring your business. They simply don't trust you yet. In any business in the world, trust is the real currency, not money. If people trust you, that's your business, they will buy instantly. If they don't trust you, they will run. Customers don't trust you because one, your online presence looks confused. If your page looks scattered, people will think your business is scattered. Two, your message changes every week. Today you sell this, tomorrow you sell that. People don't trust instability. Three, you only post when you want to sell. Nobody trusts someone who only shows up when they need money. Four, you hide your face. People buy people, not products. If they can't see the person behind the brand, they will hesitate. Five, you don't show results. People trust proof, not promises. Trust is built by consistency, not perfection. If you show up every day with value, clarity, and confidence, customers stop comparing you with others. You will become the only option in their mind. The moment people see you as reliable, the battle is over. They will buy instantly. This is how to build trust like a pro. One, show your face more. Let them hear your voice. Let them feel your energy. People trust authenticity. Two, talk about what you know confidently. Confidence is a magnet. It pulls buyers close. Three, teach something valuable consistently. The more you teach, the more they trust you. Four, prove testimonials boldly. If you have helped someone, show it. Social proof is rocket fuel. Five, upgrade your packaging. People trust brands that look like they know what they are doing. This is the trust formula. Show up, stand out, stay consistent, sell confidently. This is the formula that makes customers trust you with their money. Your customers are not running away. You just haven't given them reasons to believe you yet. Today, make a decision. Show up better, show up stronger, show up consistently, and your sales will multiply faster than you expect. If you are ready to become trusted and unstoppable, comment, I am ready.